What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video from Bulls to the Wall Trading. I hope everybody's having a nice Wednesday morning, close to afternoon. This is going to be my recap video for October 25th, 2017. Before I get into that, I do want to let you know I'm not a financial planner or a financial advisor, so please do your own research before investing. And I am not being sponsored by any company to use their platform or system. Before I get into my watch list and recapping, not my watch list, my recap video, I just wanted to go over the fact that I've been calling out stocks on the Twitter account that I created, which is @BullsToTheWall. And you could see right here, I called out this morning the stocks that I was looking at and called out the winning stock. Obviously after it happened, but this was before the market opened, and then I just said what happened after the movement. So if you've been following my videos, I suggest you come over here to Twitter, add me, because I put my top 4 to top 6 stocks that I will be looking at. And same thing for Instagram. On Instagram, it's Bulls to the Wall Trading, and this allows me to put a little picture on here of the movement that the stock did. So this is BONT. It made that movement, and yeah, I mean, it just made that movement. So in the morning, I said that CAPR was my #1 target, but I was also looking at these stocks right here, and obviously the winning one was BONT, and that's the movement that it did. So if you think it would be beneficial for you to have these alerts or following me on Twitter and Instagram, please go ahead and do so. It gives me a better opportunity to keep you guys up to date as to what I'm looking at, and things that stocks that I'm looking at and stocks that I'm considering investing in. So getting into the recap, let's start with ATRS. I'm not going to do the stocks that have less than $1 million in volume because I don't even bother with those. So I'm only going to do stocks that have at least $1 million in volume. So ATRS just looks horrible. It's way below where we wanted it to be. We wanted it to be at around 230. It's at 188. So I mean, it's just bad. So didn't miss much there. PSTI would be the next one on our list. All right, this one, it's over a little bit over $1 million, and it's about 11:30 here on the East Coast. So that means by the morning, by 9:30, when the market opened, it didn't have that much volume, but it still made a nice little jump up. But this chart does not look all that great, so I wouldn't have done anything here. This is my first time looking at it, again because of the low volume. I didn't even bother looking at it, but it doesn't look all that great to me. I'm not mad about it because it's a bad looking chart to me. FCell, next one up. We drew our line last night at 226. It did nothing. It basically tanked, so didn't miss much there. SFUN, same situation here. It broke through the line that we had, but for a 2-cent gain. It has low volume, which means that at the open at 9:30, it had less than $1 million, so I didn't really bother looking at it. WLL, this one's even worse. We drew our line at the high of the post market yesterday at $5.26, but after that it's just been in a steady downtrend, and it's way down here at $4.67, so nowhere near where we wanted it to be. ATOS, this one has a lot of volume, 19 million, but I wasn't really too into this one. I like the other charts better. It still made a quick little move up, but if you aren't fast enough, you would have missed this move up because it didn't hold up here at 159. It just moved up and then came right back down. So it was a really quick move. If you invested in this stock, I hope that you at least had a stop to catch you, or you got in and out really quickly. This one was on my top 4, but I focused my attention to BONT, and this one was the main one that I had. I had this one on my watch list last night, on my watch list video that I posted last night, We drew our line right here at around 73 cents, I believe. And as you can tell in the pre-market, it broke that and it reached highs of 85 cents, 86 cents, around there. So as soon as the market opened, it just shot up like a cannon, and it went all the way up to about $1, within $1.05 within seconds, or minutes actually. But you know, you could have rode this wave and gotten out around $1.12, or you could have stayed and done this whole movement and gone out at 119, whatever you guys want to do. I usually like to buy and get in fairly quickly, so I got in right here, and I got in and I got out somewhere around $1. So quick 20-cent profit per share, so pretty good. So this was BONT. Again, this one's one that I had called out, and it did everything that we wanted it to do. High volume, 33 million, broke through the line that we drew, which was the high of the pre-market, and it just shot up, and you could have made a quick little profit. CAPR, this one I had it in my morning scanner. It reached highs of $3, which is a mental resistance point. As you guys may know, I always say that in my videos, that every whole dollar amount is a resistance point. So it went up to $3, came down, and at the bell it just tanked. So we didn't miss much there. TRXC is another one that I had. We drew our line right here at 344, which was the high of the pre-market. It broke through several times before a small gain, and it's right at $3.23 right now. So 12 million in volume, decent volume, but when it did break through the line that we had, it didn't make that much of a big gain. So there's that. And WFT, this is another one that I had in my morning scanner, and I drew my line right here at $3.48, which was the high of the pre-market, but as you can see, it just went down and it's not coming back up. So that's the recap that I have. Obviously the best one for the day was BONT, which I called out on my Twitter, which is at @BullsToTheWall, and on Instagram at @BullsToTheWall Trading. So follow those if you want up to the minute stocks that I'm watching, and just it's a better way for me to communicate with you guys if you guys are watching my videos and you guys want to know what I'm doing. So as always, please like and subscribe. Please support this YouTube channel if you enjoy these videos. If you have any questions, leave me a comment about what you're confused about, or what it is that you want me to go over, or what you want to learn, or what you're not understanding, and I'll make a video to clarify any confusion that you may have. Be on the lookout for my watch list video later tonight, and I think that's about it. I don't think I have anything else left to say, except yeah, just follow my social media accounts. Please support my channel and my social media accounts. It means a lot to me. And that's it, guys. Have a great rest of your Wednesday, and again, check back in later for my nightly watch list videos. Have a good day, everybody.